Hey guys, welcome to Creative Winners, and today we will learn how to design this beautiful donut chart. And if you just take a look here, this is a very customized donut chart, and it looks beautiful because of its color combination, and it is very easy to read and understand because of its clean design. So let's learn how to create it. So before moving further, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on this red subscribe button and join the membership by clicking on this join button. And here you can also watch the videos under the videos tab, and we have created more than 700 videos, and you can take a look here. And also you can download the templates by clicking on the video, and in the description you will find a download link, and it's a G drive link, and there you can download the respective slide, and you can learn by watching the video and create your own designs based on the slides you have downloaded. So guys, here we have placed this color palette, and we will use this color palette to design our slide. So the first thing that we need to do is first we have to fill the background color here, and for that you have to click here on the color, pick eyedropper tool, click on this first color, and great, we have the background ready. Now go to insert, shapes, pick this beautiful rectangular shape, and let's take 1/3 of the slide. 1/3 I mean, so this is the half and this is the 1/3 area, so we have to just take an approximate 1/3. So go to line, remove its outline. So this is a solid fill, and we need to again pick the color from our color palette. So let's pick this color. So the base of our slide is ready. So the first step is done, and I'm pretty sure till now everything looks easy for you. So go to selection pane here. So where you will find the selection pane? Under home, select selection pane. So this is just like the concept of layers in Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator or any other design tool. And here what you have to do is, because we have to create so many layers above this background, so sometimes what happens is that you can accidentally select this layer and it will move from its position, and then you can mess up everything. So for that, just click this lock icon, and now you have just locked this layer. It will not move from its position. So the base is ready. Now we have to start designing our slide. So now comes the next part, the second part. In this second part, we will create a circle here. Now go to insert, select this circle, and here it's written oval, so it's actually an oval, and you need to draw it while pressing shift key on your keyboard, and just draw it with the help of a mouse, and you'll see that its height and width is same. So let's keep it here and place it here, and again go to the shapes option here, and in the formatting just fill the white color, and under this section you have to pick a gray color and then increase the width like this, and then go to shadow effects, apply shadow, and now let's move these sliders to the right. So let's keep it like 18 point, looks good. Move it to 80%, and I think it looks fine. I think the outline is too thick, so slightly reduce the width. So this is fine. The second step is also complete. Now we have to insert this arc. Now we have to draw the chart with the help of arc. So first draw the arc. Again you have to remember the step which I have told you earlier. You have to press the shift key on your keyboard and then just draw it. Leave the shift and the mouse click here. You will end up with this kind of an arc, and now pick white color, slightly increase the width, keep it like 1.25 points, and here you can draw the complete circle. like this. Now you have to press the control and just drag it to the right, and what you can see here, it duplicates the object and place it at the center like this, and now increase its height and width by pressing Ctrl Shift and dragging it from the corner, and you will see that we have managed to increase its height and width proportionately. Slightly increase the height and width of this too, so that the distance is equal. So let's keep it 7.5, the inner circle, and let's place it here. The second circle, let's keep it 9.5. Now again duplicate it with the help of Control key. Press Control and move it to the right, and you can easily duplicate it. Move it to the center. Now press Control Shift and select this corner point and move it to the right. Now keep it, so it was 9.5, so this would be 11.5. So it's very easy. So we need 5 such circles because we have 5 components in our chart. Again duplicate it, move it to the center, press Ctrl Shift and increase its height and width. So it would be 13.5. So we are increasing the height and width by 2 points. So this is the 4th circle. Again duplicate it, move it to the center. I know the steps are repetitive, but once you will do it, it will be fun and easy to do. So this would be 15.5. Now select all these circles and the circle at the center, go to shape format, align center, align middle. That's it. So the 3rd step is also complete. Here we will create the actual donut chart, and if you don't know what's a donut chart, so if you just select the chart here, go to the pie chart, and if you say this last chart, and what's written here, donut. So this is a donut chart. So we are creating a very custom type of donut chart. We are creating a custom chart, and for that select these 5 circles, press Ctrl and move to right like this, and press Ctrl G to group. So this is a grouped item and this isn't, right? This is a grouped item, and now what we have to do is press Ctrl Shift G or right click, ungroup. Now select all these 5 charts here and increase the width of the outline like this. So I think 17 is fine, and here on the cap type press round, and joint type also round, and now we need to fill the colors. So select all these circles once again, press gradient and select radial gradients, and we only need 2 gradient stops. On the first gradient stop fill the first color, on the second gradient stop again fill the first color, and then select this second gradient stop, go to more colors and slightly move the slider upward. So this will make the color a bit lighter in tone and more vibrant. Correct? So now we have filled the same color in all the circles, but the idea was to create a template for the colors. Now we just need to change the colors here. So select the second circle, select the first gradient stop, pick the color. Similarly, select the second gradient stop, again pick the color, and now go to more colors, slightly move the slider upward to make it lighter. So this is how we have done the second circle, and similarly we will do these three circles as well. So now we have filled the colors in all these 5 circles. Now select all these circles, press Ctrl G and place it here at the center, and you will see these guidelines. They really help in placing the items at a correct position. So all the circles are now intact. So now we just need to create a donut chart. So first select this and ungroup all these circles. Now select this first circle and move this point, the yellow point here. So all these circles will start from here. Similarly, select the second and move this yellow point here, and repeat the steps for all these 5 circles. Now you can zoom in here to make sure these are aligned with this partition here. So you can always zoom in to make sure it is well aligned. And now you can move this portion to match with your data, and it should be according to the data you have. Here the light color is very light and we cannot see it properly on this background. So slightly move the slider downwards for this green only. I think now it looks fine. So let's keep it here. For the second here, third here, fourth one here, fifth one here. So this is how you can create custom charts. And now comes the next part. We have to add data labels here. Insert a small line, change cap type to round and joint type also round. Slightly increase the width, 3.5 is fine. Let's pick the first color, this one, the green. So the green is this. So this represents the this first circle of the donut chart. So let's place it here. Insert a text box and write. So this is close to like 80 to 85%. So for example, our data says 85%. Let's change the font here and place it here. Again, insert a text box and write the text. Heading. Change the font. Select both, align to left. So this is the first data label and it represents the first circle. Duplicate it and place it here. Second one is close to like 75. Third one is like 60. Fourth is fourth is actually 60 and fifth was 65. And this fifth one is 55. Now select all these labels, shape format, align left, distribute vertically. Now we need to change the color of these bars as well. For that we have to zoom in to select. So we have to select this second line and pick the color from here. Similarly for this third line, pick the color of the third line. Repeat the steps for all these circles. Again, ensure that everything is well aligned. So now the next part is also done. In this part we will add some summary labels, and for that go to insert and pick this shape, freeform shape, and click somewhere close to this green circle like here, and press shift and move your mouse to the left, and it will create a straight line. And change the width to 0.5 and change the color to matching with the first circle, green. Slightly move it upward so that we have enough space, and change the end arrow type to this O arrow, and similarly the beginning arrow type as well. Insert a text box, and the summary should be very limited and to the point. So let's write here, this is the chart summary for the first label. Add text here. Subscribe now. If you can do that, that would be great. Change the font here to Monsterrat. Decrease the font size. I think 11 is fine. Let's check it in the slideshow mode. Yep, it's clearly visible. So let's write it here. Now select this line and the text, press Ctrl G to group. Press Ctrl and move it downwards to create a copy. Again move it downwards while pressing Ctrl on your keyboard, and keep on duplicating it 4 times. The 5 is the total count. Select all these together, go to shape format, align left, distribute vertically, and we are all set. Now let's change the line color matching to the corresponding line. So you can write here some summary about this number. Make sure the text is less and only to the point. Important keywords here. You have to zoom in here so that you can select the line. So the label is also done. This is the end of this part. So now comes the next part, which is the branding. So in this part we will do the branding. So for that you need to insert the text box, and let's write the cool title for it. So I'll just write Doughnut because it's a Doughnut chart. So let's change the font. So you can select a font as per the branding. So I'll change the color of this text, but keep it dark only. So let's pick a color from a color palette only, something dark. So this looks fine. Doughnut chart here, slightly increase the font size and place it here, duplicate it, and let's write business presentation, reduce the font size and keep it in one line only, and again duplicate it and paste one here, and let's write creative Venus and increase the character spacing very loose, reduce the font size, and let's change the color to this red. So this completes our slide design. I hope you will like it. So let's check the final output here. I hope you will like it. So this is the final output, and you can see here this color combination looks really beautiful. This looks really corporate, very clean, very minimalistic design, and the chart is very self-explanatory and easy to read. So if you liked it, please hit the like button, so it will help us to get more views, and you can also hit the subscribe button. You can join the membership. This will really help us and support us. So please do follow us, and we will see you guys in our next video. Till then, bye bye, enjoy, and do not forget to download this from the G Drive link provided in the video description.